check. Don't.
Hello, I'm Cherry Bomb P. Welcome to my channel. I used to be known as Paris the Connoisseur, but y'all couldn't spell that, so I changed my name. But today, since the last video was about a purse, we're gonna do another purse. But for some odd reason, it seems like the only videos that y'all actually enjoy or that actually gets to whatever many K views. So I guess please keep watching, or at least try to watch my other content too. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so we got a bag. Dang, I had the little plasticky bag thing that this, like, all of this came in, but I obviously don't seem to have it with me. So first it came in, you know, a little white shipment bag with like yellow tape and stuff on it, and then it came in this plastic bag, and then it came in a nice dust bag. You know, not the little cheap nylon fabricy ones. This one is nice. Like, it really is like cloth material. It's great. It says Dior, has a swan. What more can you ask for, you know what I mean? And since I had that other big purse, or those other two big purses that did not look like what I wanted them to look like, I ordered another purse. Right? Oh God. In person this looks navy blue, but on camera it seems to look a little black. So I'm gonna try to bring it closer and bring the light a little closer. Y'all can see that little blue in the in between and stuff, all that. Yeah, I hope y'all can see that, because it's really like, it's, nope, that didn't help. Alright, it's navy blue. On Dior's website, their book tote mini has an embroidered edge around every corner. That's a darker color, like black. Also, the back color looks kind of tannish, while mine looks white. Also, mine is not as textured, so it's obviously not embroidered. And yeah, you can clearly tell mine's is fake, but I kind of don't care because I just wanted a bag that looked navy blue. And it came with this strap. Let's get into it. You know, it got the little fake leathery pieces at the ends right here, you know what I'm saying? The little clip things. It says Christian Dior Paris. And the other side doesn't say anything at all. In the middle of the strap says Christian Dior 3 times. Right? And then, yeah, that's about it for the strap. I'm just glad it came with a strap. Came with this little card. It's actually kind of heavy. It says Christian Dior. On the back it says this. I just assumed this was like a little card that they would give you, like, if you were to actually buy the bag. You know how, like, with expensive bags, you're supposed to be able to register your bag? I just assumed that this would be what the card would be for or something. And they gave me this tag that says Christian. Okay, so the bottom of the bag, it's like I can do that thing that I was talking about last time. So I cut a piece of cardboard to the shape of the bottom of the bag, and I stuck it inside. But let me show y'all the bag real quick. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side. Also, yes, I did get a smaller purse because I figured if the first one couldn't look right and it was big, maybe a smaller one might actually be right. But I got this little tag. It says Christian Dior Paris, and it says beige on the tag. I don't know why it says beige. The bag is sort of navy blue. Maybe they're talking about like the color behind the print. But yeah, it says Christian Dior Boutique Paris. Can y'all see that? Yeah, focus. 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 It is what it is. And it came with this little stringy thing to put the tag on. Okay, so it has like, a bead in the middle, and it has these two ends with like pokey thingies. So I guess you stick them into each end of the bead, and it locks in place with this hooked on the middle. The bead says Dior on both sides. This has no pockets or anything. It has a little fake leather piece that says Dior Paris. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, there we go. Right inside the bag, there's not much going on. This little zipper has Christian Dior, I guess you could say embellishment. Okay, so like I was trying to say, the little tag right here has Christian Dior Paris embellished on it. Well, not Paris, but Christian Dior. Hope y'all can see that. There we go. And yeah, the hardware is silver, and that's I guess really all I can say about this bag. I'm gonna stick this part in the bottom to show y'all how it gives the bag a shape. Yes, there we go. Love to see it. I'm throwing my little crap back in my bag. And to be honest, this strap does not adjust or anything. And I'm kind of like, I feel like I'm a decent average height, or at least the height I think average humans are supposed to be. So for me, if I hook this bag on right now, it sits in my chest, and I'll demonstrate. So I would not use the strap because I don't want a bag to sit in my chest. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not convenient at all. And I don't know if if my body is too long, but this is not convenient to just have a bag sitting in my chest. Anyways, I was very excited because the bag finally looked like the color that I wanted it to look like. And yeah, and it came in a nice dust bag. And I think I paid the same amount of money or less. I think I paid $36 something for this bag. Meanwhile, I brought the big Dior bag for $40 something, and it was trash. So yeah, perks. I would try to give you all the link to the bag, but I went back and checked, and there is no link to the bag anymore. You know, like, you know how those things, you know how like when you're shopping on AliExpress or Dhgate and you're trying to buy something, and then like you come back the next day and it says it's either sold out of stock or they don't sell this anymore, or the product or the store doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, that happened after I ordered it. So I can give you the store name. Yeah, hope you enjoy it.